Most people spend their entire lives chasing the brilliant idea. They hunt for the next viral tech startup, the next crypto moonshot, or the next revolutionary app. But if you look closely at the wealthy elite, you'll notice a pattern. The people making real, sustained wealth aren't building high-risk tech apps. They are building boring, repeatable businesses. Businesses that operate quietly in the background. Businesses that solve simple, everyday problems and generate predictable, recurring revenue month after month, even while the owner is fast asleep. Today, we are breaking down 20 low-maintenance, high-profit businesses you can start or buy. We'll cover exact startup costs, realistic income potential, and the one hidden principle that ties every single one of them together. Number 1. Commercial cleaning and janitorial contracting. While residential cleaning requires constant scheduling, commercial contracts pay on retainer. Offices, medical clinics, and car dealerships pay monthly fees to keep their spaces compliant and clean. Startup cost is between $1,000 to $5,000, with an income potential of $5,000 to $30,000 per month. You don't mop the floors. You hire reliable crews, set up standard operating procedures, and manage the client contracts. Mobile power washing and fleet wash. Trucking fleets, drive-thrus, and commercial parking lots need regular cleaning to maintain safety and compliance. Startup cost is $3,000 to $8,000, with an income potential of $4,000 to $15,000 per month. B2B clients sign recurring monthly or quarterly service contracts, giving you automated cash flow. Parking lot striping and maintenance. Commercial properties are legally required to maintain visible parking lines and handicap spaces. Startup cost is $2,000 to $6,000, with an income potential of $5,000 to $20,000 per month. It is a simple service with high margins and zero complex technology. Dumpster rental and roll-off services. Construction sites, home renovators, and commercial clear-outs constantly need short-term waste containers. Startup cost is $15,000 to $40,000, with an income potential of $8,000 to $35,000 per month. Dumpsters are dropped off, picked up, and emptied at a local transfer station for predictable fees. Vending machine routes. Placing modern cash and card vending machines in high-traffic offices, warehouses, and break rooms provides steady daily income. Startup cost is $2,000 to $10,000, with an income potential of $2,000 to $10,000 per month across multiple machines. Number 6. Self-storage facilities. According to the Self-Storage Association, 1 in 10 Americans pays for a storage unit every single month. There are no tenants to evict, no broken pipes at midnight, and minimal staffing needed. Startup acquisition cost requires $50,000 or more as a down payment, with an income potential of $10,000 to $100,000 per month, depending on facility size. Keypads, online booking, and automated billing make this virtually hands-off once established. Laundromats with keyless access. Coin and card-operated laundromats serve an essential, recession-proof human need. Average profit margin ranges from 20 to 35%. Customers pay up front before using the service, resulting in zero unpaid invoices. Number 8. Automated car washes. Express tunnel and touchless car washes generate recurring cash flow, especially when offering monthly subscription memberships. Startup cost requires significant capital, but membership models guarantee monthly revenue regardless of weather. Number 9. Ice vending kiosks. Freestanding automated ice machines freeze, bag, and dispense ice 24 hours a day without an on-site employee. Startup cost is $40,000 to $100,000, with profit margins above 70% per bag sold. Number 10. Billboard and signage rentals. Owning digital or traditional billboard structures along high-traffic roads allows you to rent advertising space to local businesses on long-term contracts. Equipment and tool rental. Construction contractors and homeowners prefer renting expensive specialized tools rather than buying them outright. Equipment yields steady rental fees with high asset resale value. Automated dog wash stations. Self-service dog wash units installed near pet stores, parks, or residential complexes operate automatically, while pet owners pay with credit cards. Residential valet trash services. Contracting with apartment complexes to pick up trash bags from residents' doorsteps 5 nights a week generates predictable, recurring monthly fees per unit. Mobile document shredding. Businesses are legally obligated to destroy confidential records. On-site shredding trucks visit corporate clients weekly or monthly under strict service contracts. Porta potty and portable sanitation rentals. Outdoor events. construction sites, and agricultural fields require certified portable restrooms. Maintenance crews clean and restock units on scheduled routes. Niche trade contracting buy and build. Instead of starting from scratch, acquiring an existing plumbing, HVAC, or roofing business with an established crew allows you to act as an executive owner rather than a technician. As Walker Deibel highlights in Buy Then Build, acquiring an existing business has a 90% survival rate compared to 10% for startups. Pest control routes. Termites, rodents, and insects are an ongoing nuisance. Homeowners and restaurants sign annual quarterly pest management agreements. Number 18. Fire extinguisher inspection and refilling. Commercial buildings face strict legal fire safety mandates. Annual inspections, servicing, and tag renewals provide consistent B2B income. Number 19. Commercial turf and landscaping maintenance. HOA communities and corporate parks pay monthly retainers for year-round lawn maintenance, snow removal, and seasonal cleanup. Number 20. Medical equipment leasing. Leasing specialized medical beds, wheelchairs, and diagnostic gear to local clinics and home care patients generates high-yield monthly rental payments. So, what is the single invisible principle connecting all 20 of these boring businesses? It is inelastic demand combined with recurring contractual cash flow. None of these businesses rely on hype, trendy social media algorithms, or economic booms. They solve unglamorous, everyday problems that people and corporations must pay for regardless of inflation or recession. As Morgan Housel wisely noted in Same as Ever, focusing on what won't change in the next 10 years is far more profitable than trying to predict what will. Stop chasing the brilliant, risky ideas. Start building or buying the boring engines that create true financial freedom. If you found value in this breakdown, hit the like button, subscribe to Money with AI, and drop a comment below letting us know which of these 20 businesses you would run. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.